A scheduling manager is expected to have integrations of some kind for ease of use within an individual or team's normal workflows. Whether it's a connection to other popular calendar systems like Google Calendar, an embedded widget on a website, or interactive elements in an email template, a scheduling tool is typically a part of a larger system. So where are we seeing people go astray in the development of these features? Well, we're seeing a lot of overcomplication. Don't get shiny object syndrome. Just because you can does not mean that you should. We've seen scheduling apps getting built with way too many ways to book a time slot, all with different designs and flows, far too many third-party dependencies to generate a calendar, route users to external forms, embed video calls or documents to sign, and the list goes on. Diving into too much too soon can lead to a disjointed experience, not to mention an app that's hard to develop. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't build a feature-rich scheduling tool. In fact, Calendly is a popular and robust solution that does offer a ton of integration options, but you have to be strategic with which integrations are actually appropriate for your app. Know your market, build it in layers, put it out there in strategic phases, and get feedback. Become smarter for the next iteration. Learn what works and what doesn't, and then implement adjustments from there.